Hi there and welcome to another video. I'm Raluca and today I'm doing this ocean eyes blue, teal, blue look. It's electric, it's bold, it's bright. I really love the colors that I used, and I have blue mascara on my eyelashes. I hope that shows because I feel like it's such a nice touch to this eyeshadow look. I'm gonna show you how I did my eyes. I'm not gonna do my face makeup on camera, not really relevant, and if you want to see how I do my face makeup, I have plenty of other videos sharing that. I guess we can go straight into the tutorial now. For today I'm gonna do my eyes first because blue fallout is the worst. If it falls on your face makeup, it's very hard to clean. I'm gonna prime my eyelids with a little bit of concealer. I need some sort of a base before applying the eyeshadow. And I'm blending it in using my finger. I'm gonna set it with a tiny bit of powder to increase the longevity of the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna use this palette that has been discontinued for a few years. The Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. The color scheme is still so beautiful. I think I'm gonna go for this blue at first. This is very electric. I'm using sort of this shading brush. Works really well for mattes. And I'm stamping it on my lid, starting from the outer corner and then bringing it inwards. But I'm gonna do some sort of a V shape here with the eyeshadow. When I am keeping my eyes relaxed, open, looking ahead, I'm trying to create a lift with the eyeshadow in my outer corner here. So I'm not doing that. Instead, I'm keeping my eyes relaxed and seeing where I want the eyeshadow to be placed in order to create some sort of a lifted outer corner. I'm not sure I want to blend this out, which is a little bit weird for me. For now, I'm gonna leave it like this. And I'm gonna reach for a shimmer. Let me use this one first because it resembles the matte that I used. And it's gonna go right in the center of my lid. Okay. And I want something lighter. Let me reach for a flat brush because this inner corner is a little bit more difficult to reach with my finger. And I'm gonna go for this teal shade, actually. And I'm applying it right in the inner portion of my lid, blending it towards the center. This is stunning. Oh my god. And now I need to blend things out. I'm gonna take this teal. That's gonna be a bit of a transition for me today. It's gonna go above the shades that I just applied and blending it into my skin. Whenever I'm doing a smoky eye like this, I like switching between the brushes, going back and forth to make sure that the blend is seamless. Well, I went from not wanting a blend at all to wanting a seamless blend. Whenever I'm using bright shades, I feel the need for some sort of a liner to define my lash line. So I'm gonna line. I'm using this. Isn't this finished yet? Not sure. Let me just clean up my eyeliner drawer. This is from S.he. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish the eyeliner with this because it might be quite dry. Anyway, let's try. Yeah, definitely doesn't have enough product in it. Last use of this baby. Yeah, this changes everything for me. Having light colored eyes and using bright eyeshadow shades looks a little bit weird to me, and I like defining the base of my lashes with something darker. This is actually a little bit too dry. Let me continue the cleanup. One more that probably doesn't have much product left. Dip It Perfect Wing from Trend It Up. I remember I like this one. Oh yeah, this is still pretty wet. This still has product in it. I always do this. I almost finish up a product and then I just stop using it and I don't finish it, and I need to finish my almost finished products. That's cute. There is a patch here that I don't like. Ah, it's because of my brow product. Well, I'm not sure how I could fix that. I set my brows with the hair gel today and I did not clean up the skin around it. Don't do that. I guess I'm just gonna have to live with it. Look at this fallout. Crazy. I'm gonna clean it up, do my face makeup, and come back. Okay, I very quickly did my face makeup. Got my foundation shade a little bit wrong. If that looks off, that's why. I'm gonna go back to the eyes, highlight my inner corner with a bright shade. This is the Festival palette from Juvia's Place, and I really love this shade for highlighting the inner corner because it's very bright and yeah, very light in color. It's a white shimmer. Perfect. I love how bright this is. Counter-attacking the fallout. And for the lower lash line, I want a teal shimmer. Not the same one that I used here. More teal. I'm gonna go for this shade. I think this will work. I'm using the same brush because I am lazy. Yes, 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 but I'm gonna have to line my waterline because this looks weird right now. Having my skin color there when the look is so bright. I love this so much. This is one stunning shade. So, black pencil. This is from NYX. The eyeliner stick, Epic Wear, from the Epic Wear line range. This is so much better. I feel like it completes the look so much better than just having my bare waterline. And perhaps not the star of this look, but the reason why I wanted to do this look in the first place, blue mascara from Maybelline. The Sky High mascara in the shade Blue Mist. I really wanted to try this. That is why I was inspired to do a blue look. I'm not sure how this will go together because this turned a little bit more teal, but we'll see. I'm gonna curl my lashes first. And let's see, I'm very curious about this. Never tried it. It looks very bright in the packaging. Not sure how it's gonna apply on the lashes. Yeah, it's definitely blue. It's pretty electric in shade, which I very much like. I have tried the colored mascaras from this range, from the Sky High range, but they looked a little bit more dull than this one. This is very bright and it shows that it's blue, and I like that. I'm gonna let it dry for a bit and apply a second coat just to intensify the effect. This adds such a nice touch to the look. I'm gonna do a simple lip combo to finish this off. My favorite lip liner at the moment, the Lifter Liner from Maybelline. This is in the shade On It. The entire range is just one of my favorite recent launches. It's absolutely amazing. It lasts so well and the colors are stunning. And this shade is exactly what my style is in lip colors. Look at that, it's perfect. The perfect nude shade. Leans a bit more cool tone. Glides very easily. It has a very creamy formula. And I'm gonna finish off with the gloss. The Butter Gloss from NYX in the shade Praline. Oh, this is a beautiful combo. Gosh, this is perfect. I love it so much. And the blue mascara, I hope it shows on camera. It's stunning. So this is the look. Then it's all done. I'm gonna head out. Bones cracking. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was inspiring. I am definitely loving colorful makeup. And I love a bright look like this. So bold, bright, beautiful, ocean-like. I wish you a very beautiful day ahead. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!